Hi guys! I know, a little different, right? So today I'm going to show you all different ways to style your lehenga. Yes, and I'm using a plain one. You can use anything like a printed lehenga or a silk one. Anything is fine. All you need is a lehenga. And to be honest, the idea behind this video is that I personally love this lehenga. It's very comfortable for me and I cannot imagine wearing anything else when it comes to weddings or any Indian function. So I thought of just styling it to different ways so that people won't even notice that I am repeating my clothes and I can wear it. So it's my jugaad. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Let's start with heavy dupatta. Hold those two far ends of your dupatta and fold it into half. Now make plaits and put it around your neck. This makes a perfect alternate look. Next time when you can't find a blouse, you can just do this. It works perfectly. Now take a belt and put it around your waist. Also, you can just take those two ends and tuck it in your skirt just like I did. Here it is, your entire look is changed and no one can even tell that you are repeating your clothes. For those who are not very comfortable in sleeveless, they can actually pull those plaits near their elbows and make it work like a kaftan. It's very easy and gorgeous look, so make sure that you try it. Also, the back looks fantastic. It has some different pattern. You can wear this on a pant or a skirt, palazzo, anything is fine. This works on everything, so give it a try, you won't regret it. Yes, you read it right. I am actually wearing my skirt as my top and it looks perfect. Just accessorize it or wear a belt. If your lehenga isn't long enough, you can add palazzo or leggings. They work perfectly with this style. You can also wear it as a gown, just like I did. It's an easygoing, not much effort kind of look. So make sure you try it. This is how I made my skirt work. You can add a blazer of any color or print that you like. It can be contrast or same, anything is fine. Just remember to add a belt. This look can be pulled off at an office party as well, so try it. This is another blazer look for your winter weddings. Rather than using a shawl and covering up your whole outfit, why not just add something and make your outfit look really cool and stand out from the crowd? Shirt on skirt or top on skirt. I know it's common these days, but if you haven't tried this look, who are you even waiting for? I am someone who loves sleeveless, so I'll go with the sleeveless alternate top. You can add any shirt of your choice and trust me, it looks fabulous and it's super comfortable. Also, don't hold back while accessorizing this look because it's simple. Make sure to wear your best tones. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. It really means a lot to me. Yay! And I hope it was useful, and if you want me to make more of Indian content, Indian dressing and styling, do let me know. I have a lot of tricks. And please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. And enjoy your weekend, guys.